Test paper 2. Locating places on the earth. Class 6. Total questions 14. Section A. MCQ. Choose the correct option and write the correct answer. Which of these is not a component of a map? Scale, direction, symbols, longitude. Question number 2. Which of the following is a thematic map? Map of rivers, map of temperature zones, map of mountain ranges, map of cities. Question number 3. What is the standard time of India based on? 75 degree west, 0 degree longitude, 82.5 degree east longitude, 90 degree north latitude. Number 4. Which instrument shows the Earth's shape and rotation most accurately? Flat map, compass, globe, atlas. Number 5. Which meridian is used to calculate Greenwich Mean Time (GMT)? Equator, 90 degree east, 180 degree, prime meridian. Section B. Very short answer questions. 1 sentence each. What is the total number of longitudes on the globe? Name any 2 types of maps. What does the international dateline do? What is a grid on a globe or map? What does 29 degree north, 77 degree east refer to? Section C. Short answer questions in 2 to 3 sentences. Why is the globe considered better than a flat map for representing the earth? How is distance represented on a map using a scale? Why do some countries like Russia or the USA have multiple time zones? Section D. Long answer questions in 5 to 6 sentences. What are latitudes and longitudes? How do they help in locating places on earth? Include the role of the equator and prime meridian in your answer. Now pause the video and try to answer the questions and then match your answers with our answers and get scored. Answers are: Section A, MCQ, longitude, map of temperate zone, 82.5 degree east longitude, globe, prime meridian. Section B. Very short answer questions. What is the total number of longitudes on the globe? 360 longitudes. Name any 2 types of maps. Physical maps and political maps. What does the international dateline do? It changes the calendar date when crossed. What is a grid on a globe or map? A grid is formed by the intersection of latitudes and longitudes. What does 29 degree north 77 degree east refer to? The latitude and longitude coordinates of a place, for example Delhi. Section C, short answer questions. Why is the globe considered better than a flat map for representing the earth? A globe shows the spherical shape of the earth accurately. It correctly represents distances, directions, and the positions of continents and oceans. Number 2. How is distance represented on a map using a scale? A map scale shows how much real world distance is represented by a unit of length on a map. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer, means 1 centimeter on the map equals to 10 kilometer in reality. Number 3. Why do some countries like Russia or the USA have multiple time zones? Because they cover a large area across many degrees of longitude. One time zone can't serve the entire country, so different regions follow different standard times. Section D, long answer question. What are latitudes and longitudes? How do they help in locating places on Earth? Latitudes are imaginary lines running parallel to the equator from east to west. Longitudes are imaginary lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. The equator is the 0 degree latitude and the prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude. These lines form a grid on the globe. The exact location of any place can be found using the latitude and longitude coordinates. For example, Delhi lies approximately at 29 degree north latitude and 77 degree east longitude. Thank you very much.